A particular 12-hour digital clock displays the hour and minute of a day. Unfortunately, whenever it's supposed to display a 1, it mistakenly displays a 9. For example, when it's 1:16 p.m., the clock incorrectly shows 9:96 p.m. What fraction of the day will the clock show the correct time? So first I want to focus on the fraction of the day it's going to show the incorrect time, and then from there see if we can work out the fraction of the day it's going to show the correct time. So we can break this down into two cases. So in case 1, the hour of that digital clock could be a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And so let's look at if the hour is 2, for example. So it's going to be incorrect when it's 2:01 because that's going to change to 2:09. And it's also going to be incorrect the times 2:10 to 2:19 because those all have 1s in it, as well as 2:21, 2:31, 2:41, 2:51. So if you look at all these times here, for 15 minutes of that hour, the clock is going to read the incorrect time, which is 15 minutes of 60 minutes. It's 1/4 of the time it is incorrect. And this is going to be the same if that were, so here I focused on when the hour is 2, but this is the same if the hour is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So 1/4 of the time it is incorrect, which means that 3/4 of the time it is correct. So that's good to know. And then case 2 is going to be if the hour is a 1, 10, 11, or 12. And so, for example, if the hour is, let's say it's 10:05, that's going to change to 90:05. So since the hour always has a 1 in it, and a 1's always going to change to 9, that means that every single time it's going to be incorrect. So this will always, if the hour is a 1, 10, 11, or 12, it will always be incorrect. So basically 0% of the time it is correct. Or with probability 0, it's correct. And so we want to find the same thing, the fraction of the day the clock will show the correct time. That's the same thing as asking the probability the clock shows the correct time. And that's equal to the probability it is case 1. So the probability it's the hour hand starts with any of these numbers times the probability the time is correct, given it is case 1, plus the probability it is case 2 times probability time is correct, given it is case 2. Okay, so the probability it's going to be case 1, since there are 8 numbers here and 4 numbers here, there's an 8/12 probability that the hour hand is going to be one of these numbers. So 8/12 is the same as 2/3. So probability it is case 1 is 2/3, and then probability it is case 2 is 4/12, which is 1/3. So the probability the time is correct given it's case 1, we found that's 3/4. And the probability it is correct given it's case 2, that's 0. And so we multiply that out. This comes out to 6/12 plus 0, which is 1/2. So with probability 1/2, the clock is going to show the correct time. Therefore, for 1/2 of the day, the clock will show the correct time. So the answer is choice A.